If you need your credit score to jump sooner rather than later, here's the exact checklist I use to move the needle fast. Most people wait months for a score bump. You don't have to. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to squeeze out 20 points, 40 points, 80 points, legally and predictably. Pull your reports and find the freebies. Go to annualcreditreport.com and grab Experian Equifax TransUnion. Scan for wrong late payments, duplicated debts, accounts you don't recognize. Dispute errors directly with the bureaus. Attach statements or payment proof. Clean data equals instant points when corrected. Attack utilization, the fastest lever. Your goal: total credit card balances under 10% of limits, and at least below 30% right now. Do a mid-cycle paydown before your statement closes so the reported balance is low. Ask for a credit limit increase online. No hard pull on many cards. If you trust them, become an authorized user on a well-aged card with perfect history and low utilization. That history can post to your file fast. Lock in on-time payments. Automate at least the minimums on every account today. Set calendar pings 5 days before due dates to push extra. 1 late can tank 80, 100 points. Perfect payments build momentum. Delete the anchors. For collections, try a pay-for-delete agreement in writing before paying. Many smaller agencies will remove the trade line after settlement. Have a one-off late? Send a goodwill letter if you've been otherwise perfect. It works more often than you think. Optimize your mix without new mistakes. Avoid opening multiple new cards at once. Hard pulls and brand new accounts can dip your score short-term. If you're carrying balances at high APR, consider a 0% intro balance transfer with a plan to pay it off before the promo ends. Fewer cards near max. Jorn's higher score. Add positive data. Use rent reporting services so on-time payments show up. Use utility reporting services so on-time payments show up. Tools like Experian Boost can count qualifying bills. Small lift, but it's quick. Timing hacks. If you're applying for a mortgage soon, ask your lender about rapid rescoring. Pay down balances, fix errors they can push an update in days, not weeks. Also, try the two-pay method. Pay once mid-cycle and again right before the statement closes. That keeps reported balances ultra low. Keep old accounts open. Age matters. Don't close zero-fee cards. Just keep them active with a tiny recurring charge auto-paid monthly. Clean errors crush utilization. Automate payments. Delete negatives, avoid unnecessary new credit add. Positive data, use timing to your advantage. If this saved you time, tap like so more people find it. Drop a comment with your goal score and timeline. I'll reply with a tailored mini plan. Subscribe for a free downloadable checklist in the description so you can run this playbook step by step. Your future self and your interest rate will thank you.